Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to export bookmarks from Opera GX on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Exporting your bookmarks is useful if you are switching to another browser, reinstalling Windows, or simply creating a backup of your favorite websites. So let's get started. First, open Opera GX. Now click on the Opera GX menu in the top left corner. From the menu, go to the bookmarks and then click on export bookmarks. Now choose a location where you want to save the file. By default, Opera GX saves your bookmarks as an HTML file, which can be imported into most modern web browsers. Enter a file name if you need and then click on the save button. That's it. Your Opera GX bookmarks have been successfully exported. You can now keep this file as a backup or import it to another browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Brave, Vivaldi, or Opera. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.